All right, August the 15th again, Saturday. It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. So this is a continuation video of the boost relay. Ties the chassis / engine battery together and house coach batteries together so you can get your engine started. Remember we talked already, just because you heard a big click don't mean the thing was working. That's at White Rogers, right? So you have to take it apart, drill out the little rivets, and then you got these 4 screws here that come out of this top. Basically an unrepairable unit, but if you're somewhere, then you can do this. All right, but look at those contacts; they're burnt up. Look at all the debris. See all that crap? Look at them contacts in there, burnt. Those are the contacts. That's the switch. Click it, click it. This thing gets pulled up. Watch, it only comes up this much. Watch it. Ready? See it? That much. And then there's a spring. There's a spring. It went somewhere, guys. Hold on, let me find it for you. So there's the little spring. It goes down in that little hole right there. And get it there. Alright, it goes down there and sits on that. Keeps that pushed down. Alright, so basically you would just throw this away. There's 2 ways to do it. You could take it apart, unsolder this, clean these contacts up, or if you're in a jam and need to jump, you get your small jumper cable, like for a car, go across these 2 that'll tie the batteries together. Be very cautious about doing any of that. If you don't know what you're doing, you're going to spark some stuff. But get with me on the YouTube channel RV Diagnostics. Over 800 videos. We'll go over this stuff, how you get by. I'm helping somebody now. They just called, so I got to give them a call back. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We tore down a boost relay. I know a lot of call it solenoid, but a relay takes small amount of current. Small amount of current, those 2. Puts it through a coil wire, creates magnetism, closes the contacts right here to allow the higher amps. That is a definition of a relay. Small amount of amps to control large. In rare cases, we can do the opposite, high amount to control small amount, but that's rare. That's in some interface systems that I've worked on. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Safe travels, and may your campfire burn bright. And what's the motto? Test, not guess. Thank you.